Hey guys, quick little video today on a tyre deflator that we've had in the car for a little while. Thought we'd get it out and give it a test and see how it goes. So we're going to pop it out. This one, from memory, was on special at Repco for, I think it was like $19 or something, so it was super cheap. Digital tyre deflator, so to tell you the pressure, and then the rest of it will work like a normal tyre deflator. We'll pop it out of the box and see how she goes. Pop it open, got a nice little carry case, which is handy. The Velcro one's quite thick. It's cool. And the unit actually looks quite strong and sturdy and well built. It's got braided hose. The crimped fittings don't look too bad as well. Head swivels. So it's got a swivel fitting in there. So we need two AAAs for this one. We'll go pop them in. AAAs into there. Pop the back on. So going by that, I would assume that it's probably not overly waterproof. If I was to find something to pick on. It does have a rubber gasket around the outside, obviously for bumps and so forth. So we've got a light on, light off, bar, kPa, kilograms centimeter square, and PSI, and it's also got a little battery gauge at the top there. So we'll pop it on the tyre and see how it goes. Pop it on, pretty easy to use. Screwing onto the valve, you want to push this all the way down, and then this one, we're just going to unscrew that middle valve. Now, we should be able to see our pressure. So we're 43.4 at the moment. Perfect. So we'll put that back in, screw that valve back into the wheel, nice and tight. And we're all done. So we're down at 20, you can see a bit of a bulge on the bottom of the tyre as well, which is what we want down here. So we'll go do some other ones now. That was actually quite quick. I reckon we can get that a little bit quicker again.
Only front right.
Cool, all tyres are down, all four. So I'm running 35, 12.5, 18s on the Patrol. And I had about 47 PSI in the tyres. I had a little bit more, I think I had 50 in the back once they were warm. And each tyre took me, I think I counted roughly 60 seconds to go from 4 minutes to deflate all the tyres on the car down to 20 PSI. And that was, I'm happy with that. So that Max Trac is the brand. I'll put a link below where you can get it from Repco is where I got it from. They had a sale on at the time. It was $19. I'm pretty sure it's normally a little bit more than that. So keep an eye out for a sale, because that's an awesome tyre deflator for that kind of money. Digital with the light, pretty precise, well built, spins. The only downfall that I could probably pick on it is that it's not waterproof, so if that was waterproof it'd be a little bit better. But comparing that to the likes of your ARB ones and everything, I think that's right on the money, especially with the pouch as well. That's great.